It is Saturday night. Everybody is out partying and clubbing. But not me. I'm over here with these party animals. Yeah, this is the party right here. Oh yeah. Who needs clubbing? Who needs partying when you got dogs like these? Huh, Mango? You're the biggest party animal out there. It is Saturday night. I am over here with my best friends because there is no one I'd rather spend Saturday night with. Right, guys? Yeah. And also, I'm super old, so I don't go partying, any of that stuff. It's not my thing. My thing is playing with my dogs. You want to say anything to the people, Mango? You want to say anything to YouTube? No? Yeah, this is how I spend my Saturday nights. Giving Mango scratches. Best use of my time ever. Good boy. Good boy.